Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Afni Shoes channel. Your kitchen is your paradise and you can create lots and lots of flavors. And today we are making dabeli with the twist. This is usually a Gujarati snack, but we will make a little twist. That is, I'm going to add in one chutney, a dry chutney, which you can use. This will be a magical chutney for any of your snacks, any of your charts. It can be used in any of your snacks like pav bhaji and dabeli and sandwiches and rolls, tortillas and many of the things. So this, if you make and keep it, if you're making the charts or snacks in your house very frequently, you can make this and keep it for 1 month. So I will just start in now without wasting the time. So I have taken 4 to 5 spoon of groundnuts, which I'm roasting it. Later I will add in the other things I will show you. Now that the groundnuts are roasted, you can see I've taken it out. I've put in lot of garlic, that is 2 whole garlics I've taken, and 2 spoons of turmeric you can see, and 4 the whole red chilies and the spicy round red chilies I've taken. So I will be roasting it for another 2 minutes. Then I will add in the cumin and coriander also to be roasting. The red chilies were roasted too early, so I've just taken out, and then I've added in many of the other things like uh, cumin, that is zira, and saunf, that is the mint, and um putani, that is the roasted chana, and then the whole coriander. So all these things I will be roasting it together with the garlic. And now I'm using the grated coconut. You can use the dry coconut powder, the dry coconut, or the desiccated coconut, anything. Today I'm just using the raw one, the normal one. Just roast it for half a minute and then mix it with the other things here. Now to this I have added in the chaat masala, 1 spoonful of it. You can reduce the quantity if you want to, and the very important thing here is you have to cool this down to the grind it. And the second thing is you don't add the salt now till it cools, because the masala will become watery. We don't want it to be like that, because we have dry roasted all the items. Once it is cooled down, then you can grind it to coarse powder, not the fine powder, to coarsely powder you have to make. And then I will show you the coarse paste powder after some time. Let it cool down now. Now this magical masala for all charts and snacks is ready. So do take care and try this recipe. It's very unique and very interesting. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Now for the dabeli filling, I have chopped some onions, that is 2 medium size of onions, and boiled and mashed the potatoes. Um, it was like more than half kg of potatoes, which I've nicely mashed with this. This makes my life very easy. Okay, now I am heating the oil in a pan and I will add in these onions. Here there is a twist, that is you can add in your normal masalas like the turmeric and the chili powder and the coriander powder, or the dabeli masala which you have made. You can mix it with the potatoes. So this is your option which you want to make use of. To this I have added half spoon of ginger garlic paste. This is also optional. If you want to use, you can use it, otherwise you can skip. Now to this I've added in salt, red chili powder and turmeric and coriander powder. I've added very less because I will add in the masala which I have made here. So let this cook and then I will mix it with the boiled potatoes now. And now we are making the pav. For this my kids are helping me, both of them. So one side they have put the green chutney. Now they will add in the dry chutney powder on one side. the dry chutney powder. This one, Sad. Sad, this one. Yes, put it on the green chutney. And Misbah is already done with this. She's put the potato filling. Then again the dry chutney powder. And now the sweet chutney, the methi chutney. And the tamarind chutney. So the one which Misbah is holding is done. Enough, Misbah. That will be too much. Sads, it's still in process. Yes, you have to close it this way. Very nice, excellent. Now here they have made few. Very nice. So this is how it looks like, the filling. Then we will roast all this with the butter. Now I have started roasting the buns. So it has to be roasted on all the sides, like all the sides like this. And then we will remove it. I'm doing it with the homemade butter. It has to be roasted on all the sides. Now that the dabeli is half the way ready and it has been roasted nicely, I have the other things to do here. That is, I have taken the pomegranate and two types of mixture. That is the hara chivda, Haldiram's hara chivda, and then sev. You can use any of this or both of this. It's your option. And now I will mix in the pav here. So you just have to roll it nicely with the sev. And it's ready. Now that the dabeli is ready, you can see how it looks like. You can add in more chutneys to serve. I'm just keeping it like this to be served, because whoever wants more of sev and pomegranate, they can use. So this is how it looks like now. Do try this recipe. It's very yummy. It takes a little time to make all of these things, but it's very tasty and yummy snack. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take care and Allah Hafiz.